Hello friends, welcome to the Lazy Diaries. Today in this video I will be talking about this new launch by Laneige. Actually this is not a new launch, this is a lip sleeping mask and it was available in India before also in the variant Berry. But right now Nykaa has launched two more variants of this. So now there are a total of 3 different variants available. So the first one is the Berry, I have got this apple lime, and the third one is called grapefruit. There is one more variant called vanilla which is available internationally only. So there are total of 4 variants available internationally and in India only 3. But before moving further in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos and updates. So this is the outer packaging. This is a bright green and blue color outer packaging. And here all the details regarding the product is given. So I paid rupees 1150 for this, and right now only one size of this lip sleeping mask is available. So this is a 20 gram tub and the shelf life of the product is for 3 years. And here all the other details regarding how to use, and this is a made in Korea product and all the other details provided. And here all the ingredient list is mentioned. So you can read the ingredient list here. Now let's see what's inside. So as you open this, so this is the actual tub. This is a plastic tub and the color of the tub or the outer packaging is same as the color of the lip sleeping mask. And here also you can find the details regarding the product. So this is, and now how it looks. So this is the lip sleeping mask and it has a very beautiful apple lime type of very fresh green apple type of fragrance to it, and the fragrance is very mild. And before also I have reviewed the water sleeping mask from Laneige and I just love that product. So if you want to see the review of that product, I will link that video in the details. So don't forget to see the description box. So this is how it looks like and I have used it from this side. And with this you get a spatula free. So this is the spatula and the spatula is of very good quality. So this is the spatula, and with this you can apply the sleeping mask very efficiently, very effectively, and it helps to apply this on your inner corner of your lips and everywhere. This is a very good quality spatula. When you see this, you may feel this to be a regular lip balm, but actually this is a lip sleeping mask, which means that you have to apply this before going to bed at night. And this mask is a thick mask, so you cannot use this as a lip balm during daytime. So basically this is a lip sleeping mask that gently melts away dead skin cells from your lips to make them smooth and elastic. In this tub you may feel this to be solid, but when you apply this it melts into a cream like texture. So let me show you the consistency for this. So this is the consistency for this. This is not watery, not runny, and it turns into a creamy texture and it stays away on your lips for the whole night like this. You may find this to be a little sticky, but that is too little and I have no issue with that stickiness, and that stickiness is very little. Moreover, I am using this product, so I am used to it, and this lip sleeping mask, it stays on my lips the whole night. Once I apply this before going to bed, it remains there till I wake up in the morning. To use this, before going to bed, apply this on your lips using the spatula, and the next morning gently wipe the lips with clean tissue or cotton pads. This works best for dry, chapped lips. It makes your lips hydrated, moisturized and smooth. You need a very little amount of this. So this bottle will last you for around 4 to 5 months for sure. Maybe more than that also, and it does not make your lips pink. So remember this, it just hydrates and moisturizes your lips. It does not make your lip pink, and if you have already soft lips you won't feel much of a difference, but this is a boon for the dry chapped lips. During winters, this will be a good for everyone, because during winters you need something thick, something more moisturizing. So this will be suitable for everyone during winters. And people who wear a lot of lipsticks, and that too matte lipsticks which dry out your lips, then this lip sleeping mask will come handy for you. This will give the hydration needed for your lips when you wear that dry matte liquid lipsticks. And this lip mask will give you a scrub like effect to your lips without scrubbing your lips. So if you want a scrub like effect without scrubbing, to prepare your lips for dry matte lipsticks, this will come handy. This is a very good product. This is a fantastic product and I am very happy with my purchase. I'm just waiting for winter so I can use this product more and get more benefits from this. So I will definitely recommend you to buy this and try at least once this lip sleeping mask. In the berry variant you get a small pack also, and that is for rupees 500. So you can definitely try out that one. But this one is also very good. It has a very mild, fresh fragrance. So you can definitely try out this. And this was my review regarding this product. What are your thoughts regarding this? Comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.